Back to my channel, guys. To all my subscribers, thank you guys for all the support. And as you can see from the title, in today's video I'm going to make some saltfish with mixed vegetable stew. So let's get straight to the kitchen, guys. I have some saltfish that I'm going to put to boil. Here I have the mixed vegetable, onion, bell pepper, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm cutting all my fresh seasoning, guys, and I'm going to cut those and put aside. Here I have a pan over medium flame, to which I'm going to add some oil, so I can start by sauteing my seasoning. And I'm just going to allow my onion to become translucent. Then I'm going to add my mixed vegetable, saute for 2 minutes more, and then I'm going to add the saltfish. To combine, I'm going to add some ketchup, black pepper, and just allow to simmer for 2 minutes, then we can serve. Here I'm serving it with my cassava dumpling from the previous video. Guys, I hope you find this recipe useful. Those colors, guys, and it's delicious too. So feel free to test out this recipe. And as usual, guys, thank you all for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.